Now another relation we are going to derive, that is a relation between velocity of light, wavelength and frequency. What is the relation? Anybody know? For any wave, it may be light wave, sound wave, there is a relation for these three. That is velocity is equal to wavelength into frequency. Is that the relation there? Everyone read or not previously? For any wave, the product of wavelength and frequency is equal to velocity of the wave or speed of the wave, we can say. So here wavelength, with the changing of the wavelength, velocity will change. Yes or no? With changing of the wavelength, velocity will change. But frequency of object, as previous classes also you might have read, frequency of an object of a wave changes only when the source changes. If the source is same, then the frequency is not going to change. Example I'll give you. So let's see. Here a light ray incidented and refraction taken place. Okay, incident and refraction taken place. But is the source is changed? Source is same, only from one source only it started. That same light is traveling. Yes or no? So remember, during the refraction the frequency does not change. During the refraction the frequency does not change. That means this is constant. Only with, suppose wavelength will increase, then velocity will increase, and vice versa. Clear? Now again we will find the refractive index of same. Here the diagram you can copy side of that. So this is medium 1, this is medium 2, let me consider. So now we read refractive index of second medium with respect to first is equal to, we just now read velocity in the first medium to the velocity in the second medium. Read or not? We know this. In place of velocity, what is not going to change? Frequency is not going to change. In place of V1 I can write wavelength will be changed or not? Lambda 1 frequency f, V2 lambda 2 frequency f. I can write in the bracket V1 is equal to lambda 1 f, V2 is equal to lambda 2 f. Clear? F cancel, left out is lambda 1 by lambda 2. Lambda 2 is the wavelength in the first medium, lambda 2 is the wavelength in the second medium. You can mention wavelength in the first medium and wavelength in the second medium. Side of that you mention. So have you got another definition or not of the refractive index? So what is the definition? Refractive index of medium also can be defined as the ratio between a wavelength of the first medium to the wavelength of the second medium. Agree? Please write down the definition. Another definition, that is a refractive index of a medium can also be defined as the ratio between the wavelength in the first medium to the wavelength in the second medium. Clear? So now suppose this is a relative one. Suppose absolute first medium is air. First medium is air or vacuum. Then what will happen? That will become the absolute refractive index. So absolute refractive index of a medium can be defined as the ratio between the wavelength of the light in the vacuum to the wavelength of the light in the given medium. Can be written or not? Please note down. Absolute refractive index of a medium also can be defined as the wavelength of the light in the vacuum to the wavelength of light in the given medium. There is no special symbol for wavelength of light in the vacuum. That's why you can write lambda by lambda in vacuum sense 1 2 or vacuum V and medium M. Okay.